Hey, what's going on, working class hustlers? La Machine here, and this is what to sell on Amazon. So I got a little thing I'm doing today. I thought you might find interesting. I need to drop off some packages, not to a UPS store. I'm gonna go right into the UPS hub. You know, I have daily pickup, but I got a situation where I'm kind of working out of 2 locations right now, and I don't have pickup at the other location. I need to drop off these packages and keep on moving to work. You guys know I work as a regular truck driver. That's my regular 9 to 5. And I got this Amazon business going on the side. If you want to learn about that, we got videos, but I'm going to show you guys. I don't know what your situation is. You never know where you might need to throw some packages, and it's too much to just flag down a regular package driver. You can do that, and they have to stop and take your packages. So I used to chase them around years ago, but I don't know what your situation is. If you ever end up where you got, like me, a van full of packages and you just need to throw them real quick, I'm going to show you how I do it. It's a little weird. So I thought maybe that's why you would find it interesting. You may never have to do it and just want to see how I go through this. So stay tuned. We're going to keep on trucking, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it at a UPS processing center. All right, we're here. Now, if you notice, this UPS center is literally right next to an Amazon FBA facility. And you're gonna see me come in, and rule number 1, act like you've been here before, because there may be somebody looking at you sideways thinking, okay, what's this guy doing in our facility? And that's the reason why I just put my phone away, because there's no sense in drawing attention to myself looking like I'm filming. And then what I'm gonna do is pull up to this door, and you'll see it just automatically opens. And then once I come in, I'm looking for that conveyor belt that you see right there. Again, I'm not really showing a lot at the moment because I don't want to just be looking like I'm running through here filming. There's people walking around. But when you see your conveyor belt, there it is right there. I'm just gonna throw my packages up there, and you'll notice I'm gonna throw them up there. I'm gonna throw them up there with the labels up. On the sides are fine, but definitely do not put them in there with the labels down, because that'll ruin the automation system. The reader can't read the label if it's facing down, right? So I'm gonna throw these packages. And then, so once you get them all on the conveyor, it's not moving right now because there's something else going on. But, whoops. Once you get them on there, you can kind of, make your way on out. It's kind of weird because when you come in here, you got benches for people to be sitting, and again, you'll come back out, go on the other side, You'll come up to the blue door. It'll automatically open. And you go on about your long head. And make your way out. And yeah. So that's it. Again, a big part of it for me is just going in there and acting like you know what you're doing. The way it happened for me was I was in a bad situation. I needed to get these packages, and this was during the holiday season. Man, I had so many packages. You guys saw my videos. You're talking 50 to 70 packages a day. It was getting bad. My Amazon account was at risk for deactivation. That happens with me quite a bit. You guys already know. Ain't no need in fronting. But no, I ended up just calling this particular hub, and I got somebody on the phone like, hey, what can I do? I need to get these packages. They told me what to do, and I'm like, what? Just drive in, go up to a door, and it's going to automatically open. And sure enough, it did. And whenever I have to do it, I do it. Now, again, I was saying make sure your labels are up, because there's an automated reader that it's going to pass through on the conveyor, and then it's going to direct that box to the particular truck that it needs to go on. You might have saw I had a couple of next day airs, time criticals. Those will go to a truck that's going to head to the airport. You guys might know I'm in the Carlisle, Pennsylvania area, so it's going to go to UPS's planes in Harrisburg at the Harrisburg International Airport. And wherever it goes, I want to say all next days go to, for whatever reason, I want to say it goes to Louisville, Kentucky, but I could be wrong. But yeah, I thought you guys might be interested in that. It's just another thing you can do. It's just another part of this business that can be interesting if you're an adventurous person like myself. If you know anything about this, if you have anything of value to add, let me know, because I'm interested in how this system works. I like knowing this stuff. That way I can talk smack, and act like I know, ooh, you go to the hub and and act like I know what I'm talking about, and people can pretend that they care. So, yeah, so if you have anything to add, let me know. And yeah, guys, you got to understand, I'm showing you this, but that's not the real important thing. This is just something I thought you might be interested in. What's really important is you getting into this business and you understanding that I am 53 years old. That makes me middle-aged, and maybe, just maybe, you're middle-aged too, and you'd like to get into business. I want you to be encouraged. I want you to be able to connect with me and others like me. I'm really looking to service those individuals. So if you are anywhere between 40 and 60, maybe even upwards 70, you want to get into a business, I can tell you firsthand, Amazon is a wonderful business to be in. I've done it for years. If I did it better, I know I could do better. But I gotta go. I've made it to Burger King. I'm gonna have me one of them burgers.